All right, it is CSS battle time. Let's get started. We have, I don't know, diamonds? I don't know. How do I want to do this? I feel like at some point in history I've had trouble rotating a background. So let's see if that works today. Nope. So I'm going to do a conic gradient. It's going to go from that color 75% to this color 0. Rotate 45 degrees. Yeah, see? Yeah. Okay. So it's not rotating. So let's not do that. Let's just do, whoops, I pushed the wrong thing. Background, enter. And let's just make it the 6 color. That. Now let's do background. Do I even want to do background? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Yeah. Conic gradient. Dark color. Nope. Transparent. 75%. Color 0. Now can I rotate that? Yes. Okay. It needs to be that. I don't know what it is. 150 pixels. It's too big, but we'll fix that in a minute. Let's see if I can move it down successfully because rotated things and you know how we get along lovingly. Let's start with 100 pixels, 100 pixels. Okay, so it's clearly too big, but that's okay. So this needs to be something like 100 pixels and 100 pixels, and then 125, 25, nope, 15, 5, 40, 9, not 105, 90. Now we're getting close. 2, 90, maybe it's 88. No, that went wrong. 92, 91, 92 looked better. 141, that looks better. 40 looks worse. Let's stay at 141. Okay, there's that. Now, now the problem is going to be when I do a paragraph. But do I want to do a paragraph? I don't know if I want to do this or not, but I'm doing something. So here we go. Uh, okay. So, let's make this 3-9 color, yeah. Bar C, comma, and then down here, let's say C is this color. There's that. Now, the other thing that I need to do, this needs to be bigger, and it needs to move margin minus 30. What did I type that wrong? 50, 0, minus 30, 50. It's way too far down, but that's okay. Um, how do I want to approach that? I have to have, yeah, it's not working the way I think it's going to work, but that's okay. I also don't think. All right, new plan. Let's get rid of that. I don't think I want to do. Do I want to do that? I don't think I do. I think that's. I think I'm overcomplicating it with that. I think I could just say background, dark color, and then margin to dim. I don't know, 100, 150. I think that's a much. I mean, clearly a shorter way to get to that. And now the question is, can I do the other thing on top? And I don't know what the answer to that is. Paragraph. Um, this will have to have a height specified. Or it is on pixels. Looks like it didn't change anything, which is good. And probably the width. I don't think we'll see. Um, height. Maybe. Background. I'm just going to say white for now. Outline. Oh, there's a one. Everything solid. There it is. Width. 180. There we go. Margin minus 200. Whoops, that moved everything up. All right, that is the problem. I can't get it. Rotate 0 degrees minus 50. I think that's moving the thing underneath as well. Let's say A. Yeah, it's moving the thing underneath. Anyway, is that fixable? 150? Maybe. Let's say 0 minus 50. 80. Nope, not moving. 10. That's down. Minus 50. 80. That moves both. 80. Is the thing in the middle? The thing in the middle is in about the right place. Well, if this is minus 20, doesn't do anything. Minus 100 doesn't do anything. That does something. That moves it up, man. I'm in positioning rotated things again. Why does that do nothing? Okay, so this moves it along an axis that goes that way. Probably different for you guys because the camera flips things. This moves. So that needs to be for the thing in the middle to line up. It looks like that needs to be at -50. Can I do something to break things with that? Yes, I can. 80. Okay, now we're moving things differently. It's good. 120. All right, now we need to move the thing in the bottom up. How do we do that? We do that with, nope. 300 is too big. 250. 250. Maybe. 130. And let's make this 100. 120. 30. Nope, 20. 10. All right, let's turn off the outline. 11. That actually looks right. This number still doesn't matter. This number still doesn't matter. 28. That looks pretty close. Now can I position the thing underneath correctly? I don't know. Should I say top? 50? No. Can say height 100. Can I say width 100? And then move it with margin. Seems to work. It moves the thing, but that's okay. That looks like the right place. Now how do I move this back down? 138. Nope. 08. 98. 80. Nope. 94 is probably going to move again anyway, so let's not get it too close. Let's make this 81. 82. That's the wrong way. 76. 95. 93. 75. 74. 75. Looks right. Now, instead of it being this background, it needs to be a linear gradient from white color to transparent to white color. 45 degrees, I don't know. 50 pixels, 0, 100 pixels, 0. It's not nearly enough, but that's okay. We can fix that. Let's make this 100, make this 150, 120, 140, 150, 200. Okay. That one is less 140, 142. Nope. 35, 37, 37. This one's 30, 22, 17. Of course. Let's see if that's a match. You can see a little period in there. Does it matter? I don't know. I guess not. Okay. All right. I'm going to go ahead and load Evan's extension. I'm currently at 230 characters. Margin, rotate, height, width. Can I get away? I can get away without pixel values on that, I know. Let's replace pixels. 145Q217 didn't get replaced. 100. I have background way too many times. And if I submit, so we have a score. All right. Can instead of width and height. Well, let's move those. Whoops, that went wrong. Just these two. Move those up to there. Can I do adding 125? No. But maybe I can do padding something. Uh, 75? 75 looks right. Okay. Yeah, that works. Minify, submit, verify. That's 214, which is, that's okay. Not great. Can I do without width and height here? I mean, maybe. So if it pushes that. 75, 100. Oops, 10, 20. Going the wrong way now. 100. 105. Going the wrong way. 95. 85. Weird. I mean, that kind of looks right size-wise. Just maybe the margins. I don't know. We only have 2 minutes left. That doesn't fix it. That doesn't fix it. Come on. Can I do? I don't think I can do without height. It gets the opposite problem. Yeah. Okay. I don't know. I'm out of time, so this is roughly my solution. I mean, there are a bunch of ways you could do this. You could have used borders to draw these arrowheads. That's the way I used to always do borders. I could have not done a linear gradient, but I could have used two conic gradients for that, like I started to do with the middle. Could have done a conic gradient. See, I thought about a conic gradient and a linear gradient, but I didn't figure out how to get it to work in my brain, so I didn't try that. I don't know. This is where I ended up for now. I may play with it later. If I do, I'll post results or do something. Anyway, thanks for watching. I will see you next time.